Okay, hey everybody. Yeah, there's my head. Great. Just what I wanted to see today. I'm gonna supplement that real quick. So in Photoshop, I have my picture open hopefully, and I do not, which is okay. And I'm not gonna add my logo right now. I just don't feel like it, or the logo I created. What I'm just gonna do is show you how to do the thing I missed in the video, and that's drag and drop. And so it's Carl's Superfine logo edit. And you just take the file, just left click it, drag it over to there. There it appears. Yay. And you just move it. And you can resize it by doing the corners and stuff. So if I want it huge, which I could do, I could make it super duper huge and be like right there and go, hey, that's my name. What's up? And what you're gonna do is hit enter and you're done. Go ahead, save it out as a normal file. Thank you.